Dear student, today topic is Dalton's atomic theory. So, let's study one by one the important points about Dalton's atomic theory now. See, the main postulates of the theory. First point is each element is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. Already you know about the Rishi Kanath, okay, the Saint Kanath. What he said is the smallest particle of the universe, that smallest particle is atom, and that cannot be divided further into smaller pieces. Okay. So, that is called Parmanu, and in English we call it atom. Okay. So, what happened actually, Dalton copied the statement from there, that is it. Okay. The Rishi Kanath, the Saint Kanath was Indian actually, okay, and the Dalton is foreigner. So, we give more priority to the foreigner scientist, that is it. Okay. And the Rishi Kanath said this statement long years back, okay, means if you calculate from now, okay, then it is like 1000 years before they said that. But now we are studying about the Dalton's postulate, and we are saying that Dalton said this, it is okay, not an issue. So, Dalton's copied the statement which says that the smallest particle of the universe, that is called atom. So, this is the first postulate. Let us see the second postulate of Dalton's atomic theory. Atom is indivisible. What Dalton said that we cannot divide, of course, the smallest particle, if any particle is the smallest particle of the universe, it means smaller than that is not possible. Okay. So, atom is indivisible, atom we cannot divide the atom into so many parts, okay, because atom is the last, I mean the smallest particle, that is why. Okay. Suppose, understand the second point, if I said that you draw a small circle, so this is the small circle, then any other person will come and that person will draw, this is bit smaller, okay, another person will come, will draw smaller, okay. Now, what I am doing, I will draw the smallest circle, okay, it is very small, yes or no, this circle is very small and indivisible, I mean nobody can draw the smaller than this, got it. So, the same thing, atom is indivisible because atom is only the smallest particle. Okay. Let us see the third point now. Atoms of a particular element all are small, but differ from atoms of another element. See what it says. Suppose I have carbon atom and I have nitrogen atom. Okay. So, whatever the atoms of carbon, if suppose the carbon atoms are in this shape, okay, the nitrogen atoms are in this shape. I want to say that atoms of different element are not same, but atoms of same element are same. All the carbon atoms will look like this, not necessary that it looks like this. I am trying to explain you the structure, the internal structure, okay. So, in same element all the atoms are identical and differ from the other elements atom, okay. This is what I want to say here. So, this is the Dalton's atomic theory postulates. Let us see some other information about Dalton's atomic theory DAT. Merits. What are the merits? Dalton explained the law of mass conservation, okay. This is the very big merit of the Dalton atomic theory. And let us see the second point of merit of the Dalton's atomic theory. It explains the law of definite proportion. In next chapter, where I introduced atoms and molecules chapter, there I explained the law of definite proportion or constant proportion and law of mass conservation. So, this 2 point is the merit of Dalton's atomic theory, and Dalton's atomic theory in short I call it DAT, 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 okay. You can write here, not an issue. DAT, Dalton's atomic theory. So, what is the merit of Dalton's atomic theory? Law of mass conservation and law of definite proportion is the merit of Dalton atomic theory. Let us see the demerits of Dalton atomic theory. Now, it fails to explain that why atom of an element differ in the mass. See, what happens, this is carbon element and here is so many atoms, and I said all atoms are identical, no problem. Sometime what happens, same element and same atom also, okay, but their atomic mass is different. If suppose it has 12, it has 14, like that atomic mass variation is there, but both the atom belongs to same element. Why? Okay, this is the demerit of the Dalton atomic theory, because Dalton said all the atoms are identical. If all the atoms are identical means everything should be same, but no, mass is not matching sometime. Okay, so due to discovery of, I mean the isotopes and isobars, okay, demerits came in the Dalton atomic theory. Let's see the second demerit of Dalton atomic theory. Due to discovery of isotopes, okay, and I will explain in very deep what is isotopes, isobar, isostars, isotones, isoelectrons. I will discuss iso series, okay, no worry about that. So, discovery of isotopes and isobars proved that yes, really Dalton atomic theory has demerit, because isotopes, in isotope what happens, atom have same atomic number, okay, but different mass number. So, due to discovery of isotopes, where atom lost its identical nature actually, okay. Now, let us see the third point of DAT merit, I mean demerits of Dalton's atomic theory. What happened later, okay, atom divided into so many parts, electron, proton, neutron, positron, so many parts, okay. So, again demerit came, because Dalton said we can't divide the atom, but atom divided into so many particles like electrons, protons, neutrons. So, this 3 point is the demerit, and dear student, this topic is very important for examination point of view in your school exam as well as your competition exam, and same topic we study in class 11th atomic structure also. So, do not forget and please revise this topic again and again. This is highlighted topic for examination point of view. I hope you understood the lecture. Thank you for watching.